Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the exact Dell model and which form factor the laptop accepts M2 NVMe or 2.5 SATA so the new drive fits and boots. Once done, back up your system and create recovery media. This prevents data loss and preserves activation. Make sure to power down, unplug, and remove the battery or disable internal battery if accessible. Use an anti-static wrist strap and a small Phillips screwdriver. These steps protect components and get you ready to remove the access panel safely. You'll now access the drive bay, unscrew the panel, and lay out screws in order so reassembly is simple. Once exposed, identify the drive type. For M2, remove the single standoff screw, then lift the module out at a slight angle. For 2.5 SATA drives, slide the connector free, then lift the drive from its bracket. Be gentle, avoid touching gold contacts or flexing the board. If there's a caddy or thermal pad, note its orientation so you can reinstall correctly. Place the new SSD in the same orientation as the old one. Slot an M2 into the socket at an angle and press down to secure with the standoff screw or seat a 2.5 drive into its connector and reattach the caddy. Once reassembled and battery reconnected, power on and enter BIOS to verify the drive appears. This confirms proper installation and boot order. If it's not detected, make sure the screw is snug, update BIOS firmware, or test the drive in an external adapter to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.